Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Meghachandra has claimed that Manipur is under an undeclared president's rule, accusing the Chief Minister N. Biren-led government of being a puppet to the central government. He highlighted that there is a disconnect between the government of India and the state government of Manipur, which has prevented the state government from fully exercising its powers to address and resolve the 14-month-long turmoil. This lack of coordination has significantly hampered efforts to restore normalcy in the state. Meghachandra further criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for declining to meet with representatives of people of Manipur over the past 14 months, calling this situation very unfortunate. He expressed disappointment that the voices of the people have been ignored at the highest level of government. He also pointed out the severe collapse of law and order in the state, noting that highways, which are Manipur's lifelines, are unsafe. Additionally, the prices of essential goods and food items have skyrocketed due to limited stock, exacerbating the suffering of the people. K. Meghachandra also appealed to the central government, especially Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, to urgently find a solution as thousands of people have been suffering for the past 14 months. He emphasized the need for immediate intervention to restore peace and stability in Manipur.
Prime Minister Modi never speak about Manipur, not giving any appointment of any representatives of Manipur about either opposition or ruling. So it is a moment of very sad, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. He should entertain the proposal to meet of the councils of ministers, even the chief ministers, and also the opposition's MLAs. Yes, the state government's role very difficult to understand. So undeclared president rule is imposing here in Manipur. There is no connections between the state government and the central government as far as we know. Because the way honorable chief ministers under his administration, there is no law and order in the entire state. The enforcement of the concerned security personnel is also, we have seen that there is no role at all, and it is totally controlled by the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. So I think that a lot of gap between the Home Minister Amit Shah and the Chief Ministers of Manipur will be very difficult to bring the solution at the earliest as possible. Blockade of all the lifeline national highways, and very difficult to get the essential commodities, and also the prices are very high.